It's Shona. My name is Shona.
Cookies. You know why we're here?
For the charity event.
Yes. What charity event?
Wait, I know this. I know this.
Think about all the things we've been collecting.
Yeah, I know that. But okay, do you want why we're doing it or the name?
Yeah.
No, the name of the charity.
You see, that's what I need to remember now.
It's okay, it's a black name. It's okay. Starts with an S.
I know.
It's not Superman.
Sokenat. Really?
Okay. So what have you guys been doing so far?
So, our great tutor, Miss Maturis, has been, along with her daughter,
Mrs.
great
Muller.
tutor, Miss Maturis, along with her
Flavor.
daughter, Miss Muller, have been collecting tin foods and blankets for
Yes.
people less fortunate. And we decided for Nelson Mandela, or for Mandela Day,
The matric group.
the matric group would make sandwiches.
Okay.
Spread the bread. And then Ms. Maturis informed us that you guys were also doing something for charity, so we decided to do it today when you guys were coming
Okay.
and put it all together as one.
Oh, okay. Who's next? So you guys know anything about Nelson Mandela and Mandela Day?
Well, they say that you should spend 67 minutes helping the community or just people in general, and you can do it by any means. I mean, you could help at shelters, you could donate food. So to us, donating food is the best thing out there, because what's better than food?
What's better than food?
Yeah.
You know what's better than food.
No, clearly not. Okay.
So do you know how long Nelson Mandela was in prison?
For 27 years, I believe.
Do you know when he came out?
Oh, yeah. Just before the 1994 elections?
Yeah.
I don't do history, so I'm taking care. I think 93.
Yeah.
It was 93.
1993.
91.
91.
Thanks.
History
Thanks.
students.
Thanks.
91. Oh, okay.
91.
Okay. What do you know about, like, what has he done for the country
Oh,
ever since he's been out?
everything.
And don't say BEE.
I mean, he's done everything. What hasn't he done? I should be asking because I mean, he's
Hasn't been to the moon.
Well, he hasn't been to the moon, but I don't think an old man would like to go to the moon. But you know, he brought us together as a country. You know, he fought against the white people's oppression against us, and luckily now I can say that I'm with friends. You know, whites, colored, black, all of them.
Because of him, you have white friends now.
Well, I
Yeah,
mean,
basically.
if I was taught that only colored people are my friends.
Are these your white friends?
He's got a white girlfriend too.
Wow. So do you want to say thank you to Mandela for having a black boyfriend?
Thank you.
Like, what else have
Oh,
he
my.
done for the country?
I don't know, bro.
Things, what has Mandela done for the country?
I mean, like, he's made the country better. Well, you know, back then when he was there in presidency. So, yeah, that's all I can say.
That's all you can say. Like, what are they teaching you guys at school?
Dude, a big stage fright, bro.
Think about it.
The Rugby World Cup, 95?
Yeah, okay, so he made the World Cup like aware. He made it like a better, like he made South Africa great with the World Cup. Yeah, he supported it, and then yeah, I can't say it, bro.
If you could do anything for Mandela Day, what would you do and why?
Donate anything possible to the less fortunate. I mean, yeah.
It's actually a very good question. What would I do? I don't think there's anything you can do to amount to what he's done for us as a nation and as a country itself. But what I would do personally, I mean, you see a lot of homeless people out there. You know, it's not because they're homeless because they want to be, no, it's because of the lack of skill and things. So I feel as if teaching them, you know, giving them skills so that they can also survive like we do, you know, and have a proper life. I feel as if that's a good thing to do in Mandela Day, on Mandela Day. You know, just teach those that are not educated. Yeah, that's what I feel. That's how I feel. Yeah. This is good.
What we did, do you think, okay, it's not exactly gonna, for example, end world hunger, but do you think it was a good use of 67 minutes?
Yes, in a way, yes. I feel as if we could have done more, but in the sense, what we've done will make a difference to someone out there.
It is a form of contribution.
Yeah, and then with the sense of the canned food, I mean, it's going to go a long way. It's going to be distributed properly to people who need it. And with the blankets that were also donated, you know, it's going to keep some people warm during this very cold winter months. So, yes. And it should give everyone a meal with the bread that we've made so far. So, yeah, I feel as if it was a good thing that we did.
If you could, would you recommend doing more?
Yeah, how
With the
would
school?
you
With the
inspire
school or-
others to do something for Mandela Day?
Well,
Go ahead.
I mean, like Carl said, by like educating people who aren't as educated and privileged as we are, that is an amazing thing to do and to give to other people, as well as the food that we've already provided, but maybe shelter and just be able to spend like a day with people who don't have what we have and just, you know, happiness for or like what we do, and they can experience that for a day or whatever.
Wow, that's a lot to answer after. Well, I believe, you know, Mandela Day shouldn't just be a one-day thing. I feel as if we should be doing it constantly. I mean, he spent most of his life in prison fighting for freedom, fighting for democracy itself. So I feel as if Mandela Day shouldn't be just one day in the year. It should be an everyday thing. Charity should be given things on a regular basis, you know. And yes, we've done something, but I feel as if we could have done a lot more. And I mean, it doesn't really do much justice, but it shows how we appreciate Mandela for what he has done for us. So yes.
Would you recommend next year's matrics and next year's
The following.
following students and future on to do what we did?
Not just matrics though, the whole school should partake in that. I mean, yes, it was a good thing for us to do this as like a group, but I think we could have had a better outcome with the whole school doing it instead of just one grade.
I mean, it would have also helped the school as well if everyone did. I mean, yes, we've done something. Yes, it's a small thing. Doesn't mean too much to some people, but it's gonna mean a lot. They did. Also, the whole school did contribute. I was not aware of this. I am sorry for that. But the whole school did put in a part for Mandela Day. So I feel as if we could have done a lot more. And you know, it needs to be something that we do every year. It's not just because it needs to be done for Mandela Day, no. Just to show our appreciation for what he has done for us, and to just give back to the community itself. So yes.
Are you proud of what us as the trick group has accomplished and done and
Yes.
achieved?
Because it's not nothing.
It's
You know,
not.
we did
Yeah.
something.
We did something.
Which is, I mean, yes, we could have done more, but what we did, we should be proud of. So, yeah.
For seeing as this is the first year.
Yeah, it is. It is the first year.
But I
that-
mean, you have to start somewhere.
We'll start small, we'll work our way. And hopefully by the time we come back in like the next 10 years, hopefully, it wouldn't just be the things that we have there, it will be much more, maybe even boxes of foods and, you know, blankets to give back.
So do you think we've started off a legacy of what we've been doing?
For sure, for sure.
Is this class off?
Class of
2017.
Turn around. Does it have the thing?
Yeah, they have it. That's what, yeah, there we go.
Okay.
So yeah, I feel as if it's something that people are gonna take notice of, and you know they're gonna start to play their parts as well within the school. So yes.
But it's something that people do need to create awareness. You know, people do have to be able to contribute apart from just living their daily lives like how we have been. So
we need to make a difference in the community in a sense.
yes, I mean we are the new generation who has to create a difference. I mean, we have to create change. So it is our responsibility to stand up and do it now.
And are you guys proud of it?
I've been proud, actually. If I'm a head boy and you guys want me to do all the work, it doesn't work. But for you guys to take the initiative and do it on your own makes me proud.
The title, head boy.
But it does, it makes me proud, guys. I mean, if Mandela could end a whole country's problems by himself, as a group, he could have done so much more. So well done. I'm proud of you.
Do you guys recommend anything else?
Recommend anything else?
Future grades.
Well, to the future grades, I just say, you know what, don't shy away from helping people. You know, many people think it's not cool or it's not lekker to go and help out there and volunteer at shelters and all, but I personally think if you're going to help my life and give me food, then thank you. You know, keep coming back. Help me out, you know. If I have no family and you're here to support me, thank you. So, I say let's carry on.
Would you like to go come see what the matric group has done
Yes.
for you guys?
Yes.
Wait.
Don't lie to him.
And then here are the blankets and other clothes.
Here are all the sandwiches, all with all different things in it.
Label, jam,
Peanut butter, chocolate spread. And here are the tins of food that the other grades have provided, have brought,
And toys
and toys and
toys
everything.
and blankets.
Is there Hot Wheels in there?
We don't know. Maybe. It looks like there's Bakugan. Looks like there's Bakugan.
these marbles.
Mikey, why don't you look what's in there?
Which one?
In the one with the purple thing in it.
This
Yeah, maybe.
Look like some Bakugan, maybe look like a
There's a fidget toy there.
No, there's no fidget toys.
No, there's Bakugan.
There's a lot of Bakugans though.
Guys can't keep up with the generation.
Cool for kids and stuff.
I'm gonna make it easy for you.
Oh my god.
Yo. Okay. Yeah. Spitting some bars.
Yeah?
God damn it. See? Okay, now I'm joking. Okay. I'm about to make this in my head. We just made some bread. Other kids. Oh, damn, it's lit. I don't know. I'm just going with the flow. You already know. I'm whack. I just need to get it. Oh my god.
It was dope, yo. It was lit. It was a situation. That was good.
What do you have here?
Bunch of tin cans, I guess, filled with baked beans, and yeah, that's it for the kids, I guess.
Do you love baked beans?
Not really. I'm not a baked bean kind of guy.
Shawnee, what's your name? Shona. Can you please show me your best Madiba dance? Do you know the Madiba dance?
No.
The Madiba walk. Okay, we go
on my
back.
behalf. Do it on my behalf.
Okay.
That's the dance.
Okay, can you remix it? Can you put a dab into it? Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, hey.
Yes. Yes.
Hey. Hey.
Dab that. Dab that. Yes. Hey. Yes.
Continue, girl.
I don't trust
Do you want the bread?
I'm good.
Brittany.
Jenna.
Oh, Jenna.
Happy Mandela Day.
What did I say about Mandela Day?
Mandela Day, it was beast, man, you know.
And there's Brittany.
Who's that? We've got Krista here.
My name is actually Paulinho Cristiano. Follow me. Instagram, I'm the big man, you understand? Big blood. Instagram, English boy, you understand? English plays FM. You get me?
Stealing it for the gram, it's fine.
Yo.
I wave like you want to. Not like we're forcing you to.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Adios.
Two hours later.
the ground we bury the seeds of a pear tree, all the things we carry. Now we're down to our bare feet. May I have this dance to you? Can I say something crazy? I love you. Give me both your hands to you. Let me stand beside you. You're bound to inherit the sins of our parents and all the people we passed through. Now we're down to the last two. May I have this dance to you? Can I say something crazy? I love you. Give me both your hands to you. Let me stand inside you. You've got your mother's eyes. You've got your grandmother's ring. You've got your daddy's discernment. Girl, you did your thing. Oh, give me one more. 1, 2, 1, 2, always on beat. You must have been born with 2 right feet. I know you've been looking for something concrete. You must have been born with 2 right feet. Said 1, 2, 1, 2, always on beat. I know you've been looking for something concrete. You must have been born with 2 right feet. You must have been born with 2 right feet. Said, I love you more than your mother, more than you love yourself. May I have this dance? Can I say something crazy? I love you. Give me one more chance, give me one more chance, give me one more. Let me stand beside you. Can I say something crazy? I love you. Give me one more chance, give me one more chance, give me one more. Let me stand beside you.
Siyabuya siyabuzumthola kusasa.
Sasa.
Siyabuya.
Okay. Abafana ngicela nibuye kusasa.
How was the soup kitchen?
Hey, the soup was nice, yo. Sisonke. Thanks to AJ for cooking the soup, you know. Like, it was so nice.
You like to say thanks to your mom.
Our special cook.
Ngifisa kuphelele.
Masnali soup,
Hey, ngimnandi kanjani? Babuka bam. Ephelile kanjani?
Hey, ichisi sonke.
Nizobuya nini?
Sasa.
Sasa?
Yeah.
Khona la.
La.
Bob alimele.
You're too cool, yes.
Yeah, she's too cool. And from the UJ.
And I can smell the food part on you.
Sopo belisha.
Wazi le sopo leo ngathi bayifakele.
Bayifakele.
Yele tu bayifakele wena le. Imnandi.
Ichisi sonke.
Isop.
Ichisi sonke.
Ama gravy. Gravy ne. And then le sopo leo wazi yenzakalana. Fake carrots,
ichisi sonke.
Sisonke sisoba.
Manje sasa niyabuya.
Sisonke. Awe?
Sure.
Awe.